Scared the shit out of me.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Actually, according to my calculations, we are on our way to my house. We're not going to see a wizard unless we're going to see the wizard of the fridge.
The fridge.
Yes.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of. Oh my God! What the fuck? Bitch!
Alakazam, bitch!
Run! 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 Fucking kick!
We're best buddies, man. Got any weed? No weed? Got no weed.
Okay, we woke up like a good 7.5 neighbors.
How's it going?
I'm on a boat and it's going fast and
then a nice little thing fetch me the ass game. Really? Holy shit.
I feel like jamming to I'm on a boat.
No, dick in a box. To all the guys
And
out
then
there.
I jizzed in my pond.
Like eyes from across the room. Down a drink while the rhythms boom. Take my hand and skip the names. No need here for the silly. The first touch outside your doors. It was your fault you were rubbing my butt. And I jeez. Oh shit.
Listen to it.
Go damn. Body in the place hit the fucking deck. But stay on your mother.
I found a rock. Da-na-na-na.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Look at me cause I'm sailing on a boat.
I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat. Yeah.
A boat and you fucker take a
Look at me. Straight flown on the boat on the circumsea. Oh fuck, I'm out of breath.
My pocket.
I'm ready for you are.
I'm on a boat.
Your whole face is like lit up.
It's so crisp. I got my flippie floppies.
In my flippy floppies.
Fucking chicks and some shit like that.
It's some shit like that.
This isn't Sea World. This is real as it gets.
God, you gotta carry me.
You made me freaking stop now. I get start all over.
Fail.